going on, beautiful butterfly family? Welcome back to another video. I know it has been forever since I've been online, since I've recorded a video, since I've done anything on my social media, and I want to apologize about that. You guys already know I did the move and we're in our new apartment, and I still got to give you a video of, or pictures. I got to post pictures of for you guys to see, but we haven't had the money to kind of buy furniture, and everything is still like stacked up in like little baggies and boxes, and you know, I wanted to look at least presentable before I post it online. But just know, we love our new space. We love that we have the freedom to do whatever we want. We love that our daughter feels comfortable being in her element, and we're pretty happy. A lot has gone on since being online last. Like, trust me, it's been pretty hectic. You know, getting sick, and then getting better, and then online schooling, and then it's just so much going on that it's kind of like put me behind, like back. My weight loss has been kind of like at a standstill. I believe the last I weighed myself, I was 270 pounds. And I've been there, just kind of plateauing. I'm still not able to eat certain kind of foods. I still got really bad acid reflux, which is another reason for me not being online. There's just so many setbacks, but you know, coming forward, trying to push myself out and push myself moving forward to, you know, get in the lingo of things and getting back online and stuff. As far as my hair, it's still falling out, but I can see like some little tiny hairs growing in. Like, you can see them here, that it's growing in. So I'm pretty happy about that. It feels a little thicker for the most part. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing one of my BoxyCharm boxes. Now, I just want to prepare you. Let me show you. I have 1, 2, and I just showed you my whole address. Well, my old address. 2, 3, and I have one more down there. So for today, I'm going to open one, and I'm going to let you know right now, it's not going to be in order, because on the box, it doesn't have what month is what. And as I was getting them delivered, I just put them together, and I didn't separate by month or anything. So I have no idea what month this box is. I'm also going to be recording my Ipsy unboxes, which I have 3 of these also that have not been opened, because I wanted to open them with you. So I'm going to open up the box, see what's inside, and try everything on at the end of the video. You guys already know the deal. It's nothing new. And for the other boxes, I might do a side-by-side and open an Ipsy and a BoxyCharm together, just to compare the 2 boxes. I figured with this one, since I only have just this one, because I didn't get a July Ipsy, I figured I just open this one with you guys, and we'll do the other ones together. You know, the 2 sets together, filming with you. So if you want to see what's inside of this box, and then see how I look afterwards with the products on my face, stay tuned. Welcome back, Butterfly family. So here we are. Whatever month this is, we'll find out inside in just a moment. We're going to open up this box, and you already know we're going to try everything on at the end of the video. So I got my little trusty scissors. I got my trusty mirror. It's a new one. The other one broke. And we're gonna get this thing started so that I don't have another 3-hour video. So, again, like I was saying, life has been freaking crazy. Not too long ago, I got into an accident, and I laugh and I joke about it, but it was not funny the time happening. It was, it's really dark in Waterbury, and literally is like trees and a lot of land, no lights. So I'm driving down the hill. It's like downhill. I'm trying to get to McDonald's to get a coffee. I'm not a coffee drinker. I do not like coffee. Well, let me not say that. I'm not a coffee drinker. But every now and then I get this craving for a cup of freaking coffee that it's almost like I have to have it kind of thing, you know? So I decide to go out and, go get me a freaking coffee. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning. Who does that, right? And no, I'm not pregnant. I rebuke the devil. Anywho, driving downhill, I see that it was raining the day before or the morning of, and I see that there's a pile of leaves on like my right hand side of the street. So I try to bear, left a little so that I could avoid the leaves. I must have not bared over enough because I hit the leaves and I could feel the tire like sliding, and I hit my brake pedal and the steering wheel locked, and I went straight downhill, and it's downhill, so the car's going faster, and the brakes are locked, everything's locked, and when I tell you I flew up on the sidewalk and ended up in a ditch, in a hole on the ground. I'm assuming that there was a tree that was removed before, and I ended up in that hole where the tree was. Well, where a tree used to be. And I'm sitting in there like, where the hell am I? I'm trying to look out, and I just see dirt and just grass, and I'm like, where the hell am I? I was inside of a hole in the ground. And the cops never showed up. Who does that? Anyhow, I'm okay. I was a little, scared. Let me not say, oh, yeah, I was good. No, I was scared. I was freaking out. But thank God, nothing major happened to the car. We had just fixed the radiator on the car, and I was just, God, please don't let the radiator be gone, because I felt like it banged into the sidewalk, but that could have been the tire, right? But no, even the tire was good. I just thank God that everything was good. Box, I cut it open, and I will show you guys first. How's it looking? Hopefully. Okay, let's see what month this is. Okay, it says, save the date. Enjoy exclusive members only discounts in your online pop-up. Start your holiday shopping when all access opens November 10th. So I'm assuming that this is a November box, right? Maybe. It doesn't say. That's so freaking crazy. It says November 10th. So this gotta be November. Which, November 3rd was my birthday. I don't even know how old I turned. I think it's 32. Okay, so for our first product, we have... I'll bring it up closer. This is called Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. Oh, it's a setting spray. I wonder if this is... Oh, it smells like flowers. No, like Hawaiian kind. It probably smells like maracuja, whatever, maracuja or kuha. One of the cool and the kujas and the chickas, whatever it's called. But we have that. That's our first one. It is 2.87 ounce bottle. 2.8 ounce bottle. And it is like an aerosol spray. It feels pretty full. It smells really nice. And the packaging is nice. So that is, you know, you can never go wrong with a setting spray. Literally, they're good to have for a primer or just to set your makeup. Or, you know, if you have, what is it called? If you want to blend in your foundation or blend in an application, a cream application, it's good to kind of blend everything out and set it in place at the same time. So pretty much setting sprays are always good. I believe in my last Ipsy box, the one that was for June, I believe I got a setting spray and that one from Smashbox, if I'm not mistaken. And that one was nice also. So let's see what's next. We have, bring that up closer. This is a Brazilian Kiss tinted whatever. It's a lip butter, tinted lip butter, and it's called Soulmate, and it's by Sol de Janeiro. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. It's called Soulmate. I said that already, but just in case you didn't hear me. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty. I like, it's like metal feeling and it's really like cooling. It's nice. Oh, nice. And this is what that looks like right there. It's a lip butter, so I'm assuming that because it's a lip butter that it's not dry. It's like a conditioning or something like that. Yeah, it's like waxy, like not waxy, like glossy, but that's the color right there. It's pretty. It's not too dark. I expected it to be darker than that, but it's not too dark, and it looks like it will leave your lips really soft, so that's a plus. I've noticed that we haven't had a lot of liquid lipsticks. It looks like it's kind of like leaving the scene for a little bit, and I'm assuming it's because of the face mask. A lot of people aren't putting on lipstick and all of that unless they're at home and trying to look cute at home. But so far, so good. I like those two products. Next we have, let me put that up there. Okay, and this is called Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio by RealHer. And this is a cheek trio. I want to see the colors inside. Let me get my scissors and we could test out the colors. You know, everything, I could test these out on my hands and stuff like that, but everything looks different on application. So, you know, we'll see how everything looks at the end of the video. But for right now, we could definitely test the waters and see how everything is. I just dropped a little clear plastic thing. So that's how that looks. I really like this. And this is pretty too. This shimmer too. That's pretty. I'm not trying to flick anybody off. That's that. I'm going to put everything right next to the lip butter. So this is the glow. Let me know if you guys... Oh yeah, you guys can see that. It's pretty. Really glowy. That glowy one is called Goddess. This blush is called Blessed. And I will try that on right underneath Goddess. It's pretty light. It's still really pretty though. I like it. It's like, it's very soft to the touch. And it feels velvety. That's the word I'm looking for. And the bronzer is called Incredible. And that one is gonna go right under, what was that one called again? Blessed. I like that. I like that tone of bronzer. It's like warm but not too warm. It's really nice. I like it. So this is the Ultimate Glow Getter by RealHer, and I like it so far. Hopefully it does the job. It's not blending out as much on my hand. Hopefully it'll do better with the brush application on my face. So how's everybody doing? What's new? How are all of my sisters and their videos? All of my nail sisters, my beauty sisters. I seen in one of my videos, I think it was yesterday, somebody drew a female. I gotta look up her name and I'll shout her out. But she did a female Grinch on a nail, and on a little tiny nail with so much skills. Like, it came out so beautiful. Okay, so the next item here, it's Beyond Cleansing Benefits Spongel. Spongel. Okay, how about that? I don't know. How about you guys tell me what it is? Spongel. Cherry Tonka Musk Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. Oh, that's new. I've never gotten. Oh, it's a sponge. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. It's really a sponge. Yeah, that smells delicious. Oh, it looks so pretty. I kind of don't want to use it. But you could see the product in there. I'm not sure if you're able to tell. It's so nice. But you could see all the product in there. That's this. I'll let you guys know how this is. I don't know. I feel like it would kind of house a lot of bacteria. Or, you know, like everything, you use it and then it's just sitting in there. How do you clean it? You know what I mean? I don't know. It's weird. Those are one of the products that you kind of be like, I wonder. But then again, you know, I don't know. So, for our next item and our final item, we have it's Beauty Bakerie eyeshadow palette. It's called Breakfast in Bed I've always wanted to try their brand, the Beauty Bakerie. I've heard a lot of good things about their, what is it called? Their foundation and their powder. And I cannot wait to see how this works. Wait, let me make sure that there's no clear package. Ooh, those are pretty. I like these. These are beautiful. I don't know if you guys could see the trueness of the colors, but they are gorgeous. I'll bring it up closer. Beautiful. I love it. I am going to swatch starting from the top, working my way all the way down. So starting from each first row. So I'm going to do this one all the way to that one all the way to that one all the way to that one. And I will say the name as I put them on. Give me 1 second. Let me just set this up right here so everything doesn't fall on me. Okay, and we're back. So the first color, which will be right here, it's called Yawning. You know, because it's breakfast in bed. I'm going to put that. Let's do it right here. That's pretty. I like it. It colors nice too. The next one is called Forehead Kisses. I love forehead kisses in the morning. Okay, that's what that one looks like. And I'm putting that one right next to it. That one is actually really light. You can't even see it. This gotta be a transition colors right here. Right there. You really can't see it. The next one is called Pajam and then As. So pajamas. Following one is pajamas. I'm gonna put that right next door to that. Is beautiful. I love that. I cannot wait to try this. The next one is called French. This one. French Doors. And this one is going to be a shimmer one as well. And I'll put that one right here. It's really pretty. Okay, the next one is going to be Boo and a View. Boo and a View. And this one is like a dark, it looks black, but it's like a dark gray. And it has like little glitter or shimmer specks in it. Let's do that right here. Yeah, it's like a charcoal gray. It's pretty. It's not too dark. Next one is called, let me do this finger, Messy Hair. Lord knows I love messy hairs. Okay. Put that right next door. Very pretty. All the colors so far. Following one is called Fresh Face. And this is also a shimmer. We're gonna do that right. This one's beautiful. I love that one. In the lighting, it has like a darker, see? Lighter in the light and darker. And another color. And another lighting's setting is beautiful. Okay, the following one is called Cuddle Cakes. Cuddle Cakes. I wonder what Cuddle Cakes is in the morning. Okay, this one's gonna be right next door. That one is good too. I love that one. That's beautiful. They're kind of darker than, lighter than what they are, but in different lighting, you could tell their trueness. See that? So nice. And last but not least, it's called Lazy Baby. I thought it said Lazy Boy. And this one looks like it's very lightly shimmered, like barely, almost nothing. That is beautiful. It's like a purple color and then gray at the same time. So nice. So these are the colors. This is the palette. The colors are nice. I really love how the shimmers look. Some of the matte ones are kind of powdery. But again, it might look better or work better with a brush and a primer and all that good stuff. So I won't judge this until we try it. So seeing how we don't have foundation, concealer, or anything like that to try, I will put on my face and I will be right back to try everything else. Stay tuned. Welcome back, Butterfly family. So I got my base on. Pretty much for the most part, I got everything on. I did a cream contour. I am going to go over it with the Ultimate Glow Getter by RealHer. And I'm going to use the blush that's in here as well as the highlight and see how all of that works out. So let's get right into Incredible, which is the bronzer, and hopefully it's not too dark. This mirror is kind of got like a film over it, so let me just take out the film so I have a better view at what I'm doing. Perfection. So tap out the excess. I like to, when I apply my contour, bronzer, they are different. Normally when it's a warmer color, it's considered a bronzer. When it's a ashy color or a color that's a little darker, not warming and not warm, it's in the cooler side, it's more to add shadow and stuff. So this is in the warmer side, so I'm practically just warming up my face a little more. So that is my bronzer. I might show up a little too bright. Now I am going to use, and I like to use the same brush. I use one of those brush cleaners, and you just rub it in. Just because if it has a little bit of the product, especially the bronzer in it, I like to kind of like blend the two together to make it look cohesive. So I am going to add some of that blush. I actually really like this blush. It's very light. Okay, and now for the highlight, I want to use something a little bit more concentrated, if that. Because I want the focus to be right when I smile. That nice little crease right there. See it right there? Okie dokie. That's that. I like this. Now, let's go to the eyeshadow palette, shall we? So, one second. Welcome back, Butterfly family. So, I apologize about that. My palette fell and I was so scared that it had fallen on the floor. So I am going to do one eye, then do the other one off camera so that it will save more time. I am going to go in with Forehead Kisses, which is the lightest color in the palette. It's a matte color. And I am going to put that all over the top of my lid. Oh, see, that's beautiful. You can't really tell the color when it's on my arm, but look at that color on the eye. It's so pretty. I mean, it's still light, but it looks so pretty. Sorry if my mirror is in the way. I'm gonna try to get in here so that you guys could see. Okay, now I want to, let's see, where is that? No, I just had it. Where did it go? I wanted to, I don't know where I placed it. Dang it. I wanted to kind of carve in a darker line, like right in here. And I'm just carving it, nothing special. I'm just stamping it on there for now. And just dragging it out to the very end. I am gonna take a pencil brush or something that's kind of like pointed. Let me see, let me get that for you. Let me know if it focuses in the comments because I won't be able to hear you now. And then I'm going to darken it up a bit. Okay, once that is there, I want to go in with this pretty messy hair, and I am going to pretty much put that right in the crease again, but right where that line is. And I just want to kind of creating like a shadow over that line that I just carved in. And you kind of want to go back and forth and then circular motions. I'm just putting that, stamping it right on top of that line that I just carved in. Again, I wanted that line there so that it will guide me where I want to emphasize the darker or the prominent color, or the color that I want to kind of be deepening it up, deepening the corner of the eye or the outer corner of the eye. So that's why I stamped a line in it with the darkest color I had of the purple, so that I could go in with one lighter and go in and kind of just create a shadow so that it looks like I have like a non-existent crease. And I'll go in there with a even darker color. This one is the Boo and View. Is like that charcoal gray color, and I'll put that right on the outer edge and blend it inwards right on that crease that I just stamped. And it kind of looked like it took my messy hair color out, so I'm gonna go back with messy hair and go over that. I want to also flick it outward so it doesn't look so rounded, and just flick it outwards. So that's what we got so far. Now what I want to do is I want to put the pajamas color more towards the outer edge of my lid, and I am going to use like a flat brush to kind of help me keep that color stuck to the brush and not have any fallout. And I am going to just put that right on my outer edge and blending it in, maybe to like right where the line of your eyeball starts. So the dark line or whatever eye color you have, like right where that line is, from right there over. I'm going with pajamas, and I am going to put that all through, all the way to the end of where I put that dark line. Then I'm gonna go in with my Fresh Face, which is this color right here, and I'm going to put that in closer to the eye, to the inner corner of the eye, and I'm gonna blend that into the pajamas color we put in. So I am gonna marry these two together, just like that. And then I'm gonna go in with French doors right in the, like, dead smack the middle of the inner corner. I said the middle of the eye. No, not the middle, the inner corner. Okay, so this is what you should have so far. And for the bottom, we're just going to pretty much attach what we did here. We're going to attach it to the bottom. You don't have to repeat all of the colors you did here. What I like to do is I like to stick with the matte colors on the bottom. So what I would normally do is I would go back with the brush that I stamped that line with and go in with the color that I stamped with and go right underneath and stamp a line right on the bottom lash. And then I'll follow in with Messy Hair. And pretty much putting the two together. And then I go with Messy Hair. And I'll use my pencil brush again. And I'll go right underneath. And it should look like something like that. So I am going to hop offline. I am going to do my other eye and then put some mascara, some lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, and we are back. I didn't put lashes on because I really wanted to show pretty much how the makeup looks as opposed to putting on the big lashes and then covering what my eye looks. I use the mascara by Beauty for Real, and I applied it once and it was good, but then when I went for a second go around, it left my eyelashes really clumpy. I don't know if you can see them, but that was that. I put the Share lip pencil by Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use the Sol de Janeiro Soul Mate lip butter on in just a moment, so you guys can watch that. And this, after this, it should complete my look. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, this is the Soulmate lip butter. It feels really nice. And it smells like cookies. So, this is the final look. I am going to use the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. Let's see. Oh, that feels really nice. Let me get my trusty and that is my completed look right there. Right there. So, let me know what you guys think. What did you guys think about the box? So far, I like the eyeshadow palette. I like the shimmers more than I do the matte colors. But overall, they perform great. The matte colors on my arm were really chalky and, how would you say it? It was falling apart. Or like grainy almost, but on the eye, it was really soft and velvety. Like it really does matter where you apply this makeup on. And yeah, I really like the lip butter. It's soft when you put it on. It feels like a what is that called? A lip treatment almost. But then it kind of hardens afterwards and it's not so slippery. It has a nice tint to it, not too overbearing. I really like the mist. It was really nice. It didn't leave the little thick specks. Look, this whole time my mirror had a lash. And it didn't leave any like specks of what what is that called? Lord, setting spray on my face. It was nice, consistent all throughout, and it felt so refreshing. If I wasn't so cold right now, it would be like the best summer cooling down mister. I will try the sponge and let you guys know about that. Let's see what else. Oh, the glow, the RealHer Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. I really like that. That one was really nice. I feel like it left like a nice bronzing, and in person you could really see how the tint of the, I don't know if you can see it there. The tint of the blush, it looks really nice. In person it looks better. And I like the highlight. The highlight is really good. It's really shiny. And when you're facing forward, it doesn't leave like that white stripe. Like if you left a white stripe on your face, it doesn't leave that. It looks really nice. So far I'm happy with this box. I'm upset that it took me forever to open it up. And I'm sorry that I haven't been online. Let me know down below what's going on with you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see. I have a whole bunch of products that I want to put together because I want to show you. It's a haul that I did a while back, and it's stuff that I haven't opened, I haven't tried, because I want to do it online with you. So next video would be my Ipsy unboxings. The next couple videos is gonna be me unboxing my subscription boxes because I did not get to do it. So bear with me on that, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I do still have the giveaway going on. Please, please, please tell your friends to tell their friends, and we can all be friends, you know? And make sure you add me on my Instagram. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I will do the same for each and every one of you. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being a part of my family, and I hope that I can get to be a part of yours. You guys are wonderful and beautiful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.